Now, look at the situation, okay?
Okay. Now let's
Can
check.
we go? And look at the instruction.
Oh, we're doing the
You will arrive
GPS.
at your destination at 9:29 a.m.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So 240 yards, turn left. Middle mirror check.
So where are you going first?
So it's turn left in 260 yards.
You turning left on the.
Oh, so roundabout.
Okay.
First left.
After 200
You need
yards,
to be in your lane,
go left on the roundabout
left here,
and take the first
because you were
exit.
driving on the middle of the
6120
white line.
Ring Road,
So you
Horsforth.
remain here, okay, on the left.
So we remain on the left. I might indicate. Let me see. Can I indicate? Yeah, I can indicate now.
Of course,
Go
you
left
can
on
see
the
the sign.
roundabout and take the first exit.
Okay, there's no cars.
Okay.
Okay, mirror check, mirror checks.
First judgment is okay, okay. Let's see on the next roundabout. Keep going ahead, please.
Okay. Oh, it wants me to do a U-turn.
No, keep going ahead. And then roundabout, we're gonna take a U-turn. Next roundabout. This is the test route. Nice and slow. This car is broken, okay?
Okay.
Going
Mirror
ahead.
checks.
Keep it on the left.
Okay.
There's two lanes, so which lane we go in, like if there's two lanes?
Left lane.
Okay. Don't make another mistake, okay? We need to fix the judgment on roundabout and mirror checks. Whenever you're moving off, you're stopping. Which mirror we checking here?
Middle mirror and right mirror.
Okay, right mirror?
Because the traffic's merging.
Okay.
I think it's a 30-mile road because of lampposts.
Did you see 30 sign?
I see a 40 sign now.
Good.
Mirror checks.
Look at the cyclist.
I see him.
So we remain on which lane now, because he's in the left lane? Cyclist.
Well, I'm going to stay behind him.
Behind him, or you're gonna go in lane 2, okay?
Okay.
Lane 2 is here. Keep going, keep going, keep going, don't stop. Remain here in lane 2. Lane 2, lane
Here.
2. Yeah, keep going. This is enough space. He can go in lane 1, we can go in lane 2. Because you are turning right on roundabout anyway.
Okay.
So it's a pre-planning for right turn. So when you take in a U-turn on the roundabout, is 4th exit, okay?
Okay.
Keep going ahead, please.
800 yards. Keep clear. Mirror check.
Yeah, keep going because there's space after the keep clear. Your reaction is little bit slow, okay?
Okay.
Keep going ahead, please. So where are you going next on the roundabout?
It's going to be 4th exit. I'm going to stay on the right.
Okay. And we need to fix the fault. Remember the judgment one, okay? How
After
much help
400
you want from
yards,
me?
Go around
You
the
don't have to
roundabout
help me, I can do
and
it.
take the
You,
fourth
you want to
exit.
do yourself? Okay.
6120
Let's see how you're
Ring
going to do
Road,
it
West
independently,
Park.
okay?
Then take the second left.
It's just my sun's in my eye. I'm trying to look for the roundabouts now.
Yes, so you can use this. Keep in your lane. That's fine.
Go around the roundabout and take the fourth exit, A6120, Ring Road, West Park. Then
You need to
take the
signal
second
right.
left.
Oh,
left.
I thought the right lane was closed.
No, it's open. It's 4th exit, okay? So where's your 4th exit?
Over there.
No, down there. First, second, third, that's fourth. First,
1,
yeah. Second,
2,
that's
the
third. So that's the fourth. Then we go round, round, round. Signal left here. And move off in lane 1. Move off. Yeah? Good. Lane 1. Good. It's nice. Now follow the sign. Keep it on the left.
After 400 yards,
Your signal
turn
is
left,
still ticking.
Spen Lane.
Next traffic light, we are turning left here.
turn left.
Slow down so you can see properly. And look at the floor marking now. So we're going to turn left here. Signal left. Look at the floor marking. Come on the left.
Turn left.
Slow down here. Okay, check.
Where are you going next?
I'm going to turn left in 320 yards.
Okay.
So I'm going to stay on this lane.